Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, the week is starting with new stresses in the world of commodities. In China, who produce about half the world's steel, the price of steel is rising. In fact, it's on the rise everywhere. Not only is the global recovery behind the surge, but the expected faster transition to green economic policies and incentives are also too, in an ironic way, adding to the rise. The Chinese want to lessen their use of coal in steel production, so output is expected to fall when demand is rising. And the big new infrastructure plans in the US are expected to pass in some significant form, keeping demand high. And the policy drive to build new greener infrastructure in Europe adds to further demand. Although some new steel-making capacity has been added, more has been taken out, and the rising demand is expected to be much faster than the ability of manufacturers to supply. China has opened its carbon market with its first trades at $11.50 a tonne. The New Zealand price is $47.50 a tonne and the EU price is $82 a tonne. But it is a start towards their net zero target of 2050. US retail sales data for June was much better than expected, but the May decline was revised worse, so much of the gloss was taken off their June outcome. And the shine was well and truly dulled by the University of Michigan's Consumer Sentiment Survey for July. To be fair, this survey reported good gains in employment, but these were overwhelmed by sharper rising concerns about consumer inflation. The US Treasury 10-year yield starts today at just on 1.3% and up 1 basis point from this time on Saturday. And the price of gold is now just on $1,812 an ounce, which is down a mere $1 from this time on Saturday. And oil prices have also changed a little. So in the US, they're now just under $71.50 a barrel, while the international Brent price is just under $73 a barrel. However, over the weekend, OPEC agreed to increase production by 400,000 barrels a day, moving to restore capacity they cut at the start of the pandemic. And the Kiwi dollar opens today just on 70 US cents and a small dip from where we left it on Saturday. Against the Australian dollar, we're unchanged at 94.7 Australian cents, and against the euro, also unchanged at 59.3 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index starts today at 73. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. And let us know what you think of these issues in the comments section below.